Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make apple crisp. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Then cut the butter into cubes. And place it back into the fridge. We'll use it in the crumb topping later. And for the apples, you can use any kind you like. I'm choosing to use Granny Smith and Honey Crisp. So you need to wash them and then peel them. Then corns, chop them. After chopping one, place it into a large bowl and toss it with the lemon juice so it doesn't turn brown. And continue doing that for the rest of the apples. Then add in the brown sugar and cinnamon and gently mix them together until they're well combined. Then grease an 8 or 9-inch square baking pan with nonstick cooking spray and pour the filling into the pan and set it aside for now. Then to make the crumb topping, add the cold butter that we had before and add in the brown sugar, rolled oats, flour, salt, and cinnamon. And use your fingers to rub the butter into the mixture. Try not to make it too fine. Then sprinkle the crumb topping over the top of the apple filling. And bake it in the oven for about 30 to 40 minutes or until the top turns a nice golden brown color. And once it's done, remove it from the oven and let it cool for about 15 minutes. And it's best served while it's still warm. And if you like, you can add a scoop of ice cream too. And that's how to make apple crisp. Check out more of my videos here and subscribe to my channel here so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.